Welcome to Trendsetter Crypto TV. I'm your gracious host, Solo. I hope everybody had a great 4th of July. Today is July the 5th, and the Fear to Greed Index is at 29, okay? Guys, this is the lowest that it has been since January of 2023. For those who remember, a month ago, we were at 75. Back in early March of this year, we were at a 90, okay? We were at a 90. And the crypto market right now has been in a free fall. Bitcoin at one point went down to 54K. It's at about 55K right now as I'm making this video. Market cap overall in the crypto market is at a $2 trillion market cap. Ethereum is at under 3,000. XRP, 42 cent. X marks the spot. Doge at 10 cent. Shiba Inu is at 14 points, okay? And guys, I'm going to cover what's happening, why the market is free falling. If you are on my Patreon, a lot of this is not going to be new news because I've been covering this already for the last week or two. However, for people who may not know what's exactly going on, let's get into this. So the first news that we're going to talk about is Mt. Gox confirms Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash repayments have begun. Now, Mt. Gox was a major exchange back from 2010 to about 2014, right? And throughout those years, it got hacked a few times. And in 2014, in February, they shut down because they had a large hack, okay? So they announced a payment plan about a month ago, which we did talk about on Patreon. Shout out to the Trendsetter Patreon Telegram group. And basically, guys, this has caused a lot of FUD, right? Because of the fact that this could affect the crypto market, even though Bitcoin has a lot of liquidity to take that hit. Now, the second thing that affects it, and I'm going to be going through here really fast because I'm not trying to bore you guys, but the German government has moved a lot of Bitcoin amid sell-off fear. So even yesterday, in July 4th, they moved 1,300 BTC, right? That's about a $76 million value. And then around later, they moved another 1,700 Bitcoin, which is around a $99 million value, okay? So that's up to $175 million that they move. And guys, you know, in crypto, people can track these large whale movements, right? And some people even know who's moving what, depending on if it's a government entity or institution, because there are people that keep track of these type of information, okay? And here's the, excuse me, and here's the thing. So a lot of people are wondering, why is the German government moving so much crypto? Are they trying to sell it or not? And this has caused a lot of FUD as well, okay? And then the FUD that came out yesterday and it's coming out today is that the June job report came out at 4.1% in regards to unemployment rate in the United States of America, even though the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported that over 200,000 jobs were added, okay? However, this has caused a lot of FUD, as well as people are wondering if interest rate cuts would happen, or if now they're even talking about if interest rate hikes will happen. And so guys, when you add up all these factors, this is why we end up in the red, and this is why a lot of your cryptos are tumbling down. Now guys, I'm not a financial advisor. You guys know this isn't financial advice. I'm simply giving my opinion, talking about crypto while I'm sipping on my water, okay? No coffee needed. Been up since 3 a.m., okay? So here's the thing, guys. Now, where does this take the crypto Bitcoin market, right? Now, some people are projecting that Bitcoin may go down to 50,000. You even have some people that are projecting that it may go down even lower to 40,000, okay? And me personally, I look at it like this. Most of my holdings on altcoins, which have taken a beating, and I'm assuming some of you guys, it has taken a beating as well. If Bitcoin continues to go down during this slide, right? Well, altcoins are going to continue to go down as well. And so for me, I look at it as a buying opportunity to dollar cost average more into plays that I'm in and what? Strengthen my bag. Now, if you're in a position where you don't have a lot of dry powder, or your money's maxed out, then this is a situation where you simply have to wait, because selling now would be foolish. If you didn't sell back when your altcoins were flying a couple months ago, or taking profits then selling now wouldn't, it just wouldn't do you well. So certain people are saying that there's a decline possibly to 45,000. And like I said, there are a couple people predicting that it may go down to 40,000. Anybody who watched my Patreon video, and I know this is on my main channel, I predicted that, hey, we might go down to 45,000 even before this major slide started to happen, right? I made that video on Monday. And so looking at this now, we are in a situation where, you go on Twitter and it's very, depressing. And my thing is this, guys, and I'm going to be really brief here. My thing is this. The crypto market, guys, if you are new to the crypto market, guys, a year ago, we were at about, anywhere from 20 to 30,000 a year ago. I remember when the Terra Luna situation happened, and the FTX situation happened, where we went from 30,000 to 16,000, right? I remember that. And that was pretty ugly. It was pretty nasty, right? Because you didn't know what was going to happen because of the FTX situation. And then to see what happened last October when Bitcoin was at about 23,000, right? Sometime in October, it was about 23,000. And it's not, hold on a second, let me see if I can find it. I'm probably not, but it was about 23,000. And then we went from 23,000 to 33,000, or 34,000 even, in less than a month, right? So what's my point? My point is that Bitcoin can go up in a hurry as fast as it can go down, okay? However, July is starting off very rough. And like I said, I'm in a position right now where I'm looking to strengthen my bag. I'm looking to strengthen my Sol bag, Solana. I'm looking to strengthen my Shiba Inu as well as my Lunk, okay? And so at this point, all I'm saying is this, right? You should always have a strategy in regards to what happens to the markets if there are flash crashes or flash spikes, or if Bitcoin were to go to zero, do you have a plan? Okay? Do you have limit orders set up? Okay, if Bitcoin were to go up to 90,000 within a day or two, do you have a plan? Do you have sell orders set up, right? So that's how I look at it. Now, I totally understand that for some people, this might be a frightening experience or depressing experience. All I can say is this, then, don't look at the market, take a break. Don't look at your wallets. You know what I'm saying? Set up some limit orders, sell orders, what have you, and go about your life and enjoy it, right? For me personally, like I said, and I don't mean to sound cocky or arrogant or anything like that, but man, listen, once you go through a Terra Luna classic situation where Terra Luna crashed, FTX crashed, Bitcoin going from, 60,000, 62, 64,000 to 54,000, that's a walk in the park, okay? Anyway, guys, let me know what you think. More videos to come. Tune into my Patreon if you want to know which coins that I'm copping, right? It's your boy Jones. God bless, and I'm out. Peace.